This is a short introduction to visualization of functions using the software programs in Matlab and Mupad. They can be used to plot different functions on the XY axis. Here's one example where you can see that the different points in the function are plotted on those axes using the Cartesian coordinates. A function is just a binary relation between two sets associating each element with another element in the second set. The first set, always called the domain of the function, and the set Y, the codomain. A visual representation is a plotting of all the points in that set. Using Matlab, you can plot a function or plot that function over a range of numbers, which will produce an animation. Here's an example of an animation plotted with F animator function, which takes the function you've defined and plots it over that range of numbers I mentioned. Here you see another example of an animation of a plot in Matlab in 3D. The Mupad programming language is a symbolic math engine, and here's just an example of the small amount of code needed to plot an implicit three-dimensional plot. This is over a range from -10 to 10. Check it out. This is another example of the code in a Mupad plot for a surface. As you can see, the X, Y, and Z coordinates are determined by various trig functions, cosine and sine. Again, this is over a -10 to 10 range, which provides the animation. The Mupad notebook is where you do the programming for animations in Mupad. You can see that on the right-hand side is a menu of different functions. At the bottom, a drop-down having all of the different plot commands that you can use in Mupad. Over the top is the short line of code that produces this figure. Here's the animation of that previous plot. I just changed the background color and the fill color. I hope you like this short introduction to function plotting in Matlab and Mupad.